Hey guys, Star here. If you offer social media management services for your clients, you're not going to want to miss this training. I'm going to be showing you how to use HighLevel's social listening feature. This is going to help you boost your clients' content and make sure that you're on trend with what's currently in demand on social media. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Once you're on the sub-account level, on the left-hand side, we're just going to go ahead and click on marketing. Once you've clicked on marketing, right under social planner, you'll see planner, content, comments, statistics, and we want to click on social listening. This is such a cool feature because you can stay ahead of what the current trends are on various platforms. This allows you to create content in real time to stay ahead with what is actually trending. You'll have access to Google Trends, Pinterest keywords, Wikipedia page views, TikTok breakout songs, TikTok hashtags, TikTok popular songs so that you can use songs that are currently trending, YouTube popular channels to see what content is working, YouTube popular keywords, YouTube trending audios. So now what you want to do is just go ahead and select the social platform that you're interested in doing your research on. So once you've selected that, you're going to see the top trends, for example, on Google. Let's go ahead and select one of the trends that are currently trending right now. Once I select this, you can see Red Wings. It's going to open up directly in Google Trends. I can actually see all of the data in real time, interest over time, and I can go ahead and make adjustments here as well. You're going to do the same thing with Pinterest keywords. What keywords are currently trending on Pinterest? Stranger Things is trending right now. So you can create content around Stranger Things as it relates to your business or create some sort of humor with that, for example. All you'll need to do is just go ahead and click on the topic, and you can also see that it'll pop up and show you what the weekly growth is looking like, the monthly growth, yearly growth, top regions. Regions is really important. You might want to focus on creating content specific to a region that you're in, for example, Canada. So once you click on that, it's going to go ahead and open up a page with the pins that are trending with that specific keyword. Now, what I love is that you have the ability to update this based on dates. So you can go ahead and select a specific date and you can see what was happening on December 1st, for example. And then from there, you'll continue to utilize what you're looking for. If you're creating content on TikTok, you might want to know currently, as of today, what exactly is trending when it comes to breakout songs on TikTok. These are some of the songs that are working. You can go ahead and listen to those songs, see if they fit with what you're trying to create, and utilize that. Our social listening feature is going to push you ahead of other brands. You can clearly see what the social trends are currently in action. So go ahead and do your own in-depth analysis so that you can have smarter insights and make actionable data for you and your client's brand. Start using social listening in our social media planner today so that you can have brand alignment and start growing faster. Don't forget to check out our corresponding help doc below and check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.